As a little girl, cooking was my hobby. So I had the dream of owning restaurants, not just one, within Kaduna and Nigeria as a whole. My background could not even support me to pursue my dream. So I had to take a job as a cook at the hub where I got to know about Arewa Ladies for Tech. And immediately I applied. It was actually a moment of joy for me because my dreams are actually coming true. The program started from learning to mentorship to also internship. Every learning journey has its challenges. Excel was insightful and rewarding. My SQL skills were equally strong. However, Power BI wasn't so easy. It required deep analysis and visualization. Technology has now become part of our lives, and the knowledge I've gotten from Arewa Ladies for Tech has positioned me for the future. Now, I use technology to streamline and expand my business operations. Arewa Ladies for Tech did not cut me short because I got a full pack of what data analytics was all about.